welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric. I'm going to be just doing a quick review of this really awesome product by Momax. This is the Momax One World 20 watt adapter, and this is for travelers. You get both an AC adapter on the front, and then you got DC plug-in adapters on the bottom. PD Type C, as well as Quick Charge 3.0 Type A USB. Now this is the box that it comes in, just so you can kind of see the box and what that looks like. Nice packaging. I'm going to put that off to the side to take a look at the main product. This is it. Very simple, but really excellent product. I used this recently on a trip to Spain and Portugal and Morocco. And yeah, you've got plugs here on the front for whatever type of plug you need to plug in there. Me being from the US, I'm using the US plug here on the top to plug things into there. Then you have the plugs for wherever you're going to plug into, and you've got the EU, and you just slide it out. That's the EU. That's what I was using, obviously, in Spain and Portugal. You also have UK right there, and then here you have US, also becomes Australia by just turning it like that. So you've got adapters for all those areas, all built in here. And this is great. You've got two fuses. One is replaceable, so this is a very safe device because it does have that fuse that will keep it from overheating or anything. It'll blow the fuse before it causes any damage or trouble. You've got the nice One World 20 watt logo. The 20 watts refers specifically to here on the bottom, this DC charging. You've got a PD 3.0. That is super fast charging. If you're just using this, you will get 20 watts of power out of this. Then you have two USB-A Quick Charge 3.0 ports. Those are quick charge ports, so 18 watts of power if you're just using one of these. And that's great if you have like a 3-in-1 travel charger that requires at least 18 watts of power. You can get it from just using one of these or using one of these. Now, if you use two of these at the same time, or all three of these, then you're going to get 15 watts of output from each one of them. So if you're using them combined, you get 15 watts out of each one of them. But if you're just using one, you get 20 watts out of this one. PD charging and Quick Charge 3.0, 18 watts out of these if you're just using one of these. Now, the AC on the front is completely separate. It is capable of up to 2,500 watts of AC, so you can plug any basic thing in there. This is not a converter, so you can't plug a blow dryer or something like that. This is not converting power, so just know that this is just outputting AC power, 2,500 watts. So any of your basic stuff, like to power a laptop or charge a laptop, or if you're charging a phone or something and you want to plug a charger into here, you could be using these to charge some devices, and then you could plug a separate charger into here. You can use it for stuff like that. Nice and small, doesn't take up a lot of space in your suitcase, but it was great. I used it to power a 3-in-1 charger from the 18 watts power in order to have a 3-in-1 charger to charge my iPhone, my Apple Watch, and my earbuds all at the same time, using that and plugging it directly into here. And then I still had this that I was able to plug into for other stuff. So very simple product, but really great by Momax. They make some of the best accessories for cell phones and stuff. And this is an excellent product. If you're traveling, you got to have something like this if you're traveling internationally, so that you can plug into other places. And this really covers you, and in a simple, small product, gets you all the basic powering that you're going to need. So really excellent product by Momax. Definitely one that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for this playlist. Keep up future product reviews. If you have any questions, post them down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it. Until next time, be safe and be happy.